Making idioms easy. Hit home. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to discuss the phrase, hit home. Idioms can often be puzzling, but they are an integral part of mastering the English language. Let's find out what hit home means and how to use it. Hit home might make you think of physically hitting a house or a place of residence. However, in the world of idioms, things aren't always what they seem. Hit home is actually about feeling a strong personal connection or deep understanding of something. When something hits home, it means that a particular statement or idea resonates deeply with you, often because it's personally relatable. It's as if someone is speaking directly about your own experiences or feelings. For example, when she talked about the struggles of balancing work and family, it really hit home for many listeners. I didn't realize how dangerous texting and driving was until my friend got into an accident. That really hit home. The exact origin of hit home is a bit unclear, but it's believed to come from the idea of striking a target accurately. When an arrow or bullet hits its intended target, it's said to have hit the mark. Over time, this idea of hitting a specific point became associated with deeply personal and emotional reactions, giving birth to the idiom, hit home. Context is key. Use hit home when you want to convey a deep personal connection or understanding. It's best used when discussing emotional or profound topics. It's versatile. You can use hit home in both positive and negative contexts. For example, the comedian's jokes about growing up in the 90s really hit home, or the news about the environmental crisis truly hit home. Idioms like hit home enrich our language, allowing us to express complex emotions and ideas in just a few words. We hope this video has hit home for you in understanding this unique English phrase. Keep practicing, and remember, every idiom you master brings you one step closer to fluency. Happy learning!